Here to read another poem from the anthology. This one is called Cyclops Emergence, Will, and I am Wolf Valerio. Choice. From a mausoleum filled with broken bones and blackened stones, cold blades eclipse a Cyclops emergence. The moon, floating, rigid and stiff, emerging, sensational on these last freezing decimals, imprisoning summer winds. Nexus of spectacles, thronged cycles, violence and concealment, the art of cunning and denial. The placement of photographs in such a way as to diminish guilt. Apostrophes and fragments, isolation waterlogged, bloated in tandem to desire. Longing has only served to obscure. The sun and moon appear to speak in multiple languages, simultaneous to our listening and our nebulous and uncertain ascent to separation. Black-ringed phantoms, a planet of swords and necropolis with horns. I invite you to divulge your hidden places, the secretive glances you balance at right and wrong. The question, why did you die? Is it possible that, if the human capacity to knowingly name evil is destroyed, that the equally human capacity for good is also abrogated?